This is Facts or Facts on Ghana TV. Do like, share, and subscribe. Guys, the New Patriotic Party have been reacting to the allegation that, they pulled out of the contest in Tamale Central because they are scared of a contest. Guys, the New Patriotic Party has come out to debunk all those assertions. Let me jog your memory, guys. The New Patriotic Party in the early hours of yesterday issued a statement. And in that statement, they indicated to the people of Ghana and informed the Electoral Commission and whoever matters in this country that they do not want to participate in the pending by-election in Tamale Central because they do not want to put the country in any competitive situation of re-electing or replacing Murtala Mohammed, who died in that tragic helicopter crash. Guys, the New Patriotic Party issued a statement. However, some section of Ghanaians have been reacting to this particular statement from the New Patriotic Party. Now, people are alleging that because New Patriotic Party knows that this is a lost battle, so they do not want to participate because it's almost like waste of resources. Now, the New Patriotic Party have been reacting to this particular allegation. And in fact, Nana B, on Kokroko this morning, explained the rationale behind that decision. In fact, he went on to even cite a couple of examples that the National Democratic Congress, even at some point, did not participate in an election. So this is not the first time it's happening. He cited a Jeso, he cited a Buakwa, and all of that. So it is not because they are scared, but because they respect Murtala Mohammed and they want to honor his death. And they do not want to put the country in any competitive process of re-electing Honorable Murtala Mohammed. Now,
Tamale Central Akunyano, NDC Akunya for many years. Anya diamuko ekranka mubedi nkunim. Nti bia no kaunti na mo ayesa na enka seat foforo bia anka swing. Ana se eye bebia mo wogidi se ebia yama wanka mbeko usom se
Brafam medasi mame ema wo mfato ho mi nsabi de di kan eye ebuakwa no bakwa mo beka ya eye MP no wo menka busuafo ne etiefo ya eye honorable JB dankwa free mu sa sitin ye sita NDC for in meter NPP ne ekura mu a ebra wo free mu no NDC for the car by say eye kwanya yenu fa so free mu no ne mu ya enu ntini se ne be ya omo ha busuafo no mu ha Ghana for na omo atwe mu kafi eba kwa me ni se sabre no ye kan se wo omo kura na nya de anko mi wenu nya de bi emfato ho etoso mi no ajoso by elections. And before you so kwakwa mko kumawu ye sita no so NDC in winita abra ye rabaso free mu na NDC fo ni pefe pa se nya de a omo hoden omo de kwa efa nya de o winita enso no omo de candidate ko e ma omo contest here. Why? Because no mo free so also mo so koso omo hoden hwe no testing on beats na the eyomadi now come in fact one to so meansa just abra you rajonkuma free mu I want to sit in sita the NPP renew with a bigger margin. In fact more or less it is a Tamale Central where back and go for 2 me I also abra you rajonkuma free mu and this is for the Kataba Bontin said, and now they are on the contesting. Yes, elections. Inti, ye GD passer, when ye a bread can be. Le mumu crampo no a womb, said Todana crampo, na say, wouldn't say only in Krana, for political reasons, or now Korenaja will be so. Sans in 2028, wouldn't say they are best for the candidate. So those reasons are not the reasons I consider at all. The reasons I consider and I say, give me a bemano, no okwa could you maybe a magana. Then I some was and he may be a recruit. It's the New Patriotic Party. Yeah, dear, ye dear home at the forest. The Bible should be cancer, if you are needing, say, in Vinia, In fact, women and some medium wage say, now they are
I see. Akwetiaso eba NDC eyomukan.
Another section of NPP sympathizers have also been reacting. Have a look.
They spoke with me like closer to 30 minutes from the head office, from their party office, because I was the Go TV coordinator and the researcher for Tamale Central as well too. So you see, people don't understand why the party came out with this. A lot has gone through behind doors. A lot of research has gone through. I personally, you see, if you go to my social media, some of my social media, I've kept it initially that Tamale Central, we are not ready to contest any by-elections. People didn't like. People were not like happy of what I said. They didn't ask why. They started lambasting me here and there. Oh, when did you start politics? This small guy, when did you start politics? What do you know in politics? What? You see, looking at a lot of things have gone through, Tamale Central has been one of the heart of NDCs. Yes. Looking at our elections from 2020 to 2024, I still have the data off head. Yeah. So, madam, people will say a lot, but this is just the best ever decision taken by the NPP ever. I will say that. One, let's deal with humanity. Tamale people, a lot of NPP people are even yelling complaining, asking questions. Why now? Why now? Why now? Why now? There's something like this sympathy votes people are talking of. You see, if we dare do this mistake, madam, and go for by-election, you see our results in 2024 elections. The 16,647 votes we had is going to drop massively. The 24% we have 24.16. Yeah, 24.16% in just in the election. Madam, if we dare do this mistake, it's going to over us. And it's going to demoralize our party for this 2028 election in Tamale Central.